seen the reconciliation functionality and may have noticed some weird stuff when you do a forecast. So I'm in the budgeting menu now. So let's run a forecast. I happen to be logged into Jeremy Crackcorn's account. If we do a forecast, you're going to see on these last few transactions that I paid and the deposit that I made, instead of these transactions disappearing, you see this note posted transaction showing up. What does this mean? What this means is we're kind of shifting over to allow you to truly reconcile with your bank now. And this was part of how it works with transactions to allow that to happen. What you're going to need to do now is to go into this option that says Reconcile with Bank. Anything that showed up on your forecast with a posted transaction note is a transaction that has been posted but has not yet cleared the bank. So you need to go into this reconciliation screen anytime you want to make sure that you are square or in balance with your bank. So all of these transactions, let's just say we happen to know they have already cleared the bank. So this is the place where you will truly clear them out as if they have posted and the money has been taken out of the bank. That's when you want to clear these. So let's clear all 4 of them by clicking the clear button. Now, what you'll do is you'll be logged into your bank, into your checking account, and you want to find out what the balance is in your account. So let's just say I'm logged into Jimmy's bank account at his bank, and his bank is showing $74.56.31. So you'll update that balance here. And you'll notice it just happens to match with your cash on hand amount here, which is good. So now let's click Update. You are in balance. Okay. And we don't have any further transactions showing up here in the grid. So we're in good shape. This is telling us that everything that has been paid in the other screen has now since cleared the bank. You've cleared them, and you are definitely in line with what the bank says. And this is the objective. You want to be in the green here and in balance with the bank. So now if we go back and we do a forecast, it should look a little bit different. Those transactions that had said posted transactions are gone now. And here is that actual bank balance number that we just balanced to, showing up here as your cash on hand. And we've got a note here telling you this is the live balance. So again, to kind of reiterate what we talked about, anytime you pay a bill now, let's say we're paying this sewer services, I'm going to click the pay bill button and we pay it. Now it says posted transaction. What this is here to show you, it's reminding you that you have already paid this. So you probably went out into your bill pay system with your bank, or you actually wrote a physical check. But once you have sent that payment and you click the pay bill button here, this is just simply to remind you, you already paid this. Don't pay it again. And it doesn't give you a button to pay it again. So that's your clue in. You've done your part. Now you're waiting on the bank, right? Next step would be, when does it get withdrawn from my bank to really prove that they've paid it? Let's pay another one. 105 to State Farm. Okay, so we've posted 2 things. We've done our part. Now we're just going to wait for that to clear the bank. So again, you're going to be going into this Reconcile with Bank function, and lo and behold, here are our 2 transactions. So let's just say a couple of days have gone by and we've logged into our bank, And yes, they have taken these amounts out. So let's go ahead and clear these transactions. It's showing we're out of balance. That's because we need to put in here what the bank is showing as the balance. And we are showing what the checkbook balance is showing. So it should turn green again. There you are. You're back in business. It's as simple as that. Please reach out to me anytime. If you have any questions at all, you can send me an email at webmaster@shaggyblue.com. Hope you're having a great day. All right. Bye-bye.